Unveiling the essence, the soul of nature. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that beautifully captures the essence of our world, the soul of nature. This phrase is not just a collection of words. It's a poetic reflection of how we perceive the natural world around us. By the end of this video, you'll understand its deep meaning and how it can enhance your language skills and appreciation of English literature and expressions. So, let's embark on this exploratory voyage together. At its core, the soul of nature is a metaphorical phrase. In English, the word soul often refers to the essence or the spiritual part of a living being, something that defines its true identity or core. When we apply the term soul to nature, we're personifying nature, giving it human-like qualities. This phrase suggests that nature, much like a human, has a spiritual essence, an inner life, or a core that gives it life, purpose, and meaning. Metaphors are a crucial part of the English language. They allow us to express complex ideas and emotions in a relatable way. By comparing nature to a living being with a soul, the phrase, the soul of nature, invites listeners or readers to consider the interconnectedness of life, the depth of the natural world, and our relationship with the environment. Metaphors like this enrich our language and can evoke strong imagery and feelings, making the abstract tangible. The soul of nature might be used in various contexts, from poetry and literature to everyday conversations. In literature, authors use this phrase to draw attention to the beauty, mystery, or power of the natural world. It can also appear in discussions about environmental conservation, where speaking of nature as having a soul emphasizes the importance of protecting our planet. In everyday speech, someone might use this phrase to express a deep appreciation for nature's beauty or to describe a moment of personal connection with the natural world. Incorporating the soul of nature into your language can add depth and poetic flair. You can use it when describing scenes in nature that move you, in creative writing to express the awe-inspiring aspects of the environment, or in speeches to convey the importance of ecological conservation. It's a powerful tool for making your language more vivid and emotionally resonant. We hope this exploration of the soul of nature has not only expanded your vocabulary but also deepened your appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the English language and the natural world it can describe. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connection, connecting with others, with our environment, and with the myriad experiences that shape our world. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the world around you.